Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Bubba and my wife Kat is running around here, and today we are excited to show you a new addition to the channel. Stay tuned. So today we're going to be revealing Magicycle, a new e-bike that was sent to us. It was a couple of weeks ago that we were contacted by this company and they asked if we would review their bike. Sure, we will. Be happy to. And within, 2 weeks I think it was, here they are, right on our doorstep. So, stay tuned and we will get this thing opened up and we'll show you the packaging on how this thing is. Well, right off the bat, we can see that this thing is stuffed tighter than a Thanksgiving turkey. So, first things first, let's get some of this stuff off of here. Okay, now that that's done, let's see what we got here. There was a lot of packaging around that, and the bike, it looks pretty clean, and the box itself looks pretty clean. Nice job, FedEx. Let's see what we got up close. Well, to me, that looks pretty good. Doesn't look like it's in any bad shape at all. So we'll continue pulling this thing out of the box and see if we can't get it together. First things first, let's open up the goodie box. See what we got in there. The good old instructions. Always read them first, right? A pair of gloves. Not sure what those are for. A bike alarm. Your headlight. And a hat. Hey, that'll keep the sun off. Looks like a pack. Looks like you can put your cell phone in there. Nice little carrier. Tools. It even comes with its own tools. We'll lay all those out. Can't go nowhere without these. It's the gas pedals. And they give you a lock. Not bad, Magicycle. And you have your charging. So let's go ahead, pull the battery out, and get this thing charged up. So when we're done building it, we'll see how it goes. And check out this battery. Battery looks good. A little worn right there. A little rub mark. That's not bad. .52 volt, 15 amp hour. 780 watts. Little switch right there you can press just to check to see how full your battery is. Okay, let's get the box off of this thing and find out what it takes to put this thing together. let's get the handlebars on there. Come with their own wrenches. Now you're going to want to take this whole thing off right here just to get the handlebars in there. All right, let's get the handlebars up. I'm going to go ahead and straddle it just so I can keep a hold of it. You're not going to want to tighten these all the way down. Just get them up there snug, because you're going to want to adjust the handlebars when you get everything done. I'm pretty excited to get this thing going. Again, thanks Magicycle for being prompt and getting them here and working with us. We appreciate it very much. Okay, there's your handlebars on there. Again, we won't tighten them up until we get the seat adjusted and everything else done. Let's get the front tire on there, and then we'll get the fender on. So what you're going to do is flip this open, lift your bike up, and grow an extra pair of arms. Turn it enough to where that pad comes off. Rest it there and don't let the bike fall. You're going to want to pull this thing off. That covers your disc. Pull your little cap right here off. Make sure the bike don't fall. Pick your bike up. Now be careful that you do not mess up the disc. Make sure everything lines up. Make sure your disc falls in there. And that's there. You'll be able to put your kickstand down now and let it ride. Just let it sit there, because you're going to need to take the skier off of this pedestal. Just go ahead and take this off. Now keep in mind these springs right here. The cone, the bottom of the cone is going to want to go in like this. Go ahead and put your skier through, your cone back on, and tighten this down. Make sure this is open. Don't get it too tight to where you cannot collapse it. All right, that's on there. That's done. Now let's get the fender and the front light on there. Go ahead and pull your bike or your fender back around this way. We'll have to take this off. Let it set up there. Let it set up there. And grab your headlight. washer. And the nut. You can set that on there for right now, because we're going to have to go after these girls right here. They do come with Loctite on them. And do the same for the other side. Go ahead and tighten those two down. And then you can work on your light and your fender on top. Your light will plug into one down here. It can only go in one way. It's in. All right. Let's get the pedals on there. You will see that they are marked right and left. Now on your left one, it's usually righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Well, it's going to be lefty-tighty. We'll get a wrench to tighten those up. Now that we've got it put together, let's talk about assembly. Assembly was easy. All you had to do was put the handlebars, the pedals, the fender, and the tire. Half hour to 45 minutes at tops. Thanks, Magicycle, for letting us review this bike.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed this first of what's going to be several videos on the Magicycle e-bike. We wanted to give you an introduction to it and show you what you can expect when you purchase the bike and really how easy it is to get it put together and up and running. Our first impressions are this is a very sturdy bike. It weighs about 70 pounds. It seems very well put together. It has a lot of nice extras on it. The padded leather hand grips, the headlight, the tail light, the cargo rack, the gear bag, the toolkit, the alarm, the cable lock. A lot of really nice things that come standard with this bike, so you don't have to go out and buy all those things extra. We've been riding it around the campground, getting used to it, getting used to what it's like to ride the Magicycle e-bike with the battery assist, and it's a lot of fun. We have been finding some useful ways to use it in our camping too. And so in the coming weeks, we're going to be showing you some more videos on how we're using the bike, not only in our daily lives, but also to enhance how we explore things as we're out RVing. So we hope you've enjoyed this. If you want more information on them, go to the website right here and feel free to shoot us any questions you might have. And we will see you again very soon.